guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make creamy coconut shrimp. So let's get into it. So first, let's start out with a half a cup of our coconut cream. Now to this, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of our condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of our condensed milk. And now we're going to mix this up. Now to this, you want to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You just want to mix everything up until it is thoroughly combined and your cornstarch is broken down. Now that I'm finished mixing, I'm going to take this over to the stove so I can cook this down so it can thicken up. Okay guys, so I've set my stove on a medium-high heat, and I'm just going to go in and pour our cream in. Alright guys, so you just want to cook this on medium heat, stirring it up every now and then until it begins to thicken. So it's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, our cream is nice and thick now. So I'm going to turn our fire off, and I'm going to set it off to the side. Okay, so I have 2 pounds of shrimp here, and what I'm going to do is make a tempura batter for our shrimp. So I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to bring another bowl in. So I'm using a pre-packaged tempura mix by McCormick, and all you do is just follow the instructions for it. So I'm going to pour that in, and it calls for 3/4 cup of cold water. So I got a bottle of water that I put in the freezer just to make sure it's extra cold, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix that into my batter. Now I'm gonna give that a mix. Okay, so that looks like a good consistency to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add my shrimp in. I'm just going to mix these in. Alright guys, now I'm going to take this over to the stove to fry up. Okay guys, so our oil is hot, and I'm going to add our shrimp in. You just want to run it back and forth like this before letting it go. Okay, you can let it go. Okay guys, so these are ready to come out. They are a nice golden brown color. And I'm using jumbo shrimp, but you don't have to use jumbo shrimp for this. You can use whatever size shrimp you want, but I'm using jumbo size shrimp. And here's a close-up, guys, of what they look like. You can see that nice golden color there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these off to the side on my cooling rack, and I'm gonna put my second batch in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let these cook, and I'll be back to let you guys see what everything looks like. So here are our shrimp, And as you can see on my top one, they're nice and crispy. So I'm going to plate these up so you guys can see what it looks like. If your sauce has cooled down and gotten thick, just put it back on the stove and just add a little bit of that evaporated milk to it, and it'll start to thin out. Okay guys, so you just want to take that sauce and just drizzle it on top. And that's it guys. That's how you make Chinese buffet creamy coconut shrimp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.